Hello and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I wanted to take this time out and make a video to just show you my gratitude in this blessed month of Ramadan. Whether you celebrate it or not, I just wanted to take the time out and say thank you. The amount of support that I have gotten from all of you, it has been amazing. The support has made me get up and get in the kitchen, produce all the content that I have been producing. We have reached over 850 videos, which is mind-boggling. And I still have a list on my refrigerator that high of more and more videos to produce. But this is such a special time, and in this month, there's so many emotions that I'm going through. Being in lockdown, but yet appreciate every single day that I have with my family, that I have you all also in my life. I wake up in the morning and I open up my phone and I have Facebook messages, I have Instagram messages. All over the social media platform, I have so many messages of encouragement, support, comments, pictures. And that's the other thing I wanted to tell you guys, was that if I don't reply to a comment, please don't feel bad, and I apologize, but it's just that I am so overwhelmed with the amount of support that I have been receiving that I actually feel so bad that I'm not able to get to each and every comment. I read each and every comment that I get. Just because I don't comment back or answer something doesn't mean that I'm not reading. I read each and every comment. But getting to these comments are a little bit difficult, but I seriously appreciate each and every comment that I get. Also, if you guys make anything, I would love to see pictures. So always hashtag Raihana's Cuisines. I'm available on Instagram and Facebook. And it just makes me so happy to see those creations. There were so many things that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Oh yes, also for the month of Ramadan. So this is the 24th of April. And I wanted to post at least 3 videos every week. So there will be 3 videos every week until the end of May. All right. So I just wanted to make sure that so you're looking out for those. Those videos are going to go up Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The link of my page is in the description box below. Also the Instagram link and everything. So just go down there and like my page, because we have made a menu. So to make things easier for the month of Ramadan, there's a whole 30-day menu for you all. And then also I have updated that menu every week. For that week, you will get all the recipes with all the links, so that you can go straight to the video and it'll show you, and then in the description box you get the full recipe. Also, if you want more of the recipes to print out and stuff, I do have a website, www.raihanasrecipes.com. that's also going to be in the description box below. So I think I've gotten everything, but more than anything, this was just a personal message from me to each and every one of you, that thank you. I'm sending you guys all a virtual hug right now. It's just like I have another family out there. And this month is so blessed for us, that just so full of gratitude here. So wanted to wish you all again a very happy Ramadan Mubarak, and I will see you with another personal video a couple of days before Eid, inshallah. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And also the biggest thing is turn on the notifications, so that if I do go live, sometimes spur of the moment I'll feel like, why don't I do a live video? So I will go live, and if you don't have your notifications on, you're not gonna get any notification that I've gone live. So wishing you all a very happy Ramadan, and please remember my family in your prayers, and I will see you with another recipe soon. Stay safe, stay blessed.